This is Christina from Chris the Creative, and I'm going to show you how you can adjust the offset for the inlay in my new earring files that you can find on my Etsy. This is a very short tutorial, but without further ado, let's dive on in and let me show you what I do for my process. I come in here and I importing my SVG file. It is going to come in looking like this. I'm going to select Ungroup. I'm going to select the ones that I actually want to adjust the size with, moving it over, and then I'm just going to kind of delete these because I don't really need them for the purpose of this video. So just deleting them all. I'm going to move this right over on the board. I'm zooming in, and I'm just going to kind of delete these pieces because I don't really need them for the purpose of this video. So just removing them, selecting delete, and then I'm going to take these. I'm going to slightly size them down a little bit. Once I'm happy with the size, I'm going to ungroup them. I'm going to make a copy of the inlay layer, paste it over here, and then I'm going to come over here to the offset tool and I'm going to adjust and add the offset for my machine. I'm going to zoom in a little bit just to kind of give you a visual reference, and then I'm just going to click delete to delete the innermost layer. And there we have it. This is the piece that I'm going to be using for my acrylic with the adjusted offset for my machine. Make sure that the layers are set up correctly for line and fill for your machine, so they will engrave and cut in the right order. If you have any questions or issues with this file, please make sure to message me, email me, or DM me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can to help you out. In case you were wondering why the text is not outlined, it is because if you are like me and prefer to edit in Adobe Illustrator, you can import the SVG right into Illustrator and it will have all of the live text easily visible for you to review and look at. To show you what I mean, I'm just going to come over here and drag and drop my SVG right into Illustrator, and it's going to open up just like this. And as you can see here, all of the text is live type, so you can click on it, edit it if you choose. I cannot include a lot of outlined fonts or text because of licensing restrictions. And this also allows other creators to simply adapt the file and use it in a way that would make sense for them.